if then else. See, an optional else statement gives an alternative action if the then clause is not executed. An optional else statement gives an alternative action if the then clause is not executed. Next, the else statement, if used, must immediately follow the if then statement. Always it will follow the previous if then statement. See the syntax: data, new data set name, set source data set. If, here we can write the condition. If this condition is satisfied, then here we can write the statement. Okay, here this condition is not satisfied. Here we can write the alternative one. Else satisfied. Else means if the above condition is not satisfied, for those observations we can execute the statement here. Alternative. Okay. Suppose same examples here. Okay. Class data. So this is the reference variable, gender. So two groups, male, female. Now I want to update the data here. In the place of male, I want to get capital M. In the place of female, I want to get capital F. In the place of male, capital M. In the place of female, capital F. So already we did this program. So by using if then. Something like this. Okay, now see, under gender variable we are sure we have only two groups. One is the male, another one is the female. First we are writing like this: if gender is equals to female, then gender is equals to F. Then no need to write this total condition. So simple here we can write else. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, means what are the other observations? Only male data. So for male observations, I want to execute this statement. M. So we can get the same. So like this we can use else. If there are only two conditions, simply we can write like this. First if then else. Next another one. To create new computed columns. Okay, we did this one also. Okay, employee one data. Here we have two variables, employee name, salary. Okay, now based on salary I want to create a new variable bonus, and these are the conditions. Okay, we did the program like this. If salary less than or equals to 1500, bonus 500. If salary between this range 1500 to 2500, bonus 1000. If salary greater than 2500, then we have to give bonus like this. 2000. So if you are using here else at the end, then there is a problem, because always else will follow the previous if then condition only. You see the problem now? Actually here salary less than 1500. For these employees we have to give the bonus 500 only. But it is showing bonus 2000. Okay, why? See, first of all, as per the requirement, if the salary less than or equals to 1500, for those employees it is giving the bonus 500 only. Okay. Next, if salary between this range, then it is giving the bonus 1000 only. Okay, good. But here we have given the else. Else means what? It will consider only the previous if then statement. As for this, if the salary is not between this range, remaining for all other employees, it is giving the bonus 2000. That's the problem. Means this one is overriding the first one. That's why it is showing the bonus as 2000. So if you have more than two conditions, remember, first of all we have to use if then. Next we have to write like this, else if. Else if. At the end only we can use the else. Now it will show the correct one. See, here 500. So here between the range, so 1000. Here greater than 2500. Okay. So if you have only two conditions, if then else. If you have more than two conditions, if then else if, at the end only we can use else. Because else will follow the previous if then condition only.